CES 2026. Today I'm taking a look at the Goodway booth. This is John. Tell me what you're doing right here.
This is eGPU dock. The difference between this dock versus what you've seen in the marketplace is all the others are enclosed, while we have it open.
Yeah.
So being open, that we want people to see what they have in terms of graphic card they're using.
Okay.
If I'm using a 5080, 5070, I want to show it off and let my friends to see, hey, this is what I have.
For sure.
Especially with all the RGBs, it lights up. The good thing about this is that we can connect to your regular laptop.
Right.
So whether it's Thunderbolt 4 or 3 or whatever, when you go home, plug this in, it becomes a powerful gaming laptop.
Yeah, that's actually really incredible technology. So this is connecting through Thunderbolt. Which version of Thunderbolts is this capable of?
So right now we're using 5, but connecting to just the Thunderbolt 4.
Okay. And this is running right now. I can see you're using Firmark?
Right,
Yeah.
we're using Firmark, and we're comparing it to a 5090 laptop.
Oh, okay, so this has a 5090 GPU built into the laptop, and this is a 5090 that is...
This is a 5070 Ti, 5070 Ti.
Okay, 5070 Ti. So now I can definitely say that I appreciate that open design. It's going to be great for airflow, so you're going to actually be able to get cooler than you would if you were in an enclosed space.
And this is also a heat sink in the bottom. And also we have built-in power supply, 700 watts.
Okay.
So this can support everything below 5090. It can also support RTX 6000.
Okay, that's awesome. Does this power cable come with it?
Comes to the graphic card. So it's a standard graphic card approved connector.
Right.
Also, if you're not using the laptop,
perhaps
you already have a powerful desktop at home. You can plug this in, becomes 1 + 1 = 2.
Oh, heck yeah. Okay,
Right.
I see. Yeah,
so, for example, you have 24 gigabytes of VRAM on a 5090, plus this is like 12 gigabyte.
Right.
You have 36.
Right.
You can do a lot of things with 36 gigabytes of VRAM.
Absolutely, and especially if you just want to expand. If you're one of those users that does a lot of botting or something like that, and you want to have a ton of different monitors, this would be a great way of expanding that using the one PC, but a bunch of different video cards.
Correct. And also another good thing about this is that, for example, if I just upgraded to a 5070 Ti, like in this case, I have a XS card, maybe a 4070 Ti or 3070 or whatever. What do you do with it?
Right.
Plug this in.
Yeah, absolutely.
And plug it to your desktop. And 1 + 1 is 2.
Heck yeah.
Right? 12 gigabytes plus 8 gigabytes is still 20 gigabytes.
Sure. Right. Absolutely. No, that's great technology. I think the biggest thing for me is just going to be the fact that one of the biggest problems I have with laptops in general is just that you cannot really build up from what the base unit is. With this, you can actually expand that beyond the capacity of the original laptop.
Exactly. So right now this is the horizontal version. Later on we'll probably come with a vertical version.
Okay.
So the vertical version, again, just do some differentiation.
Okay.
And then maybe this is running off our standard PCIe bus. So Gen 4x4, so it's just standard.
That's awesome.
Nothing extraordinary.
Right.
So it will fit any standard graphic cards out there.
Okay.
Also, check out the performance.
Yeah, absolutely.
So this is running at 130 frames per second, and also very little latency, 30 milliseconds, compared to this, 110 frames per second, latency about 36 milliseconds.
And that's the benefit of having a full 5070 Ti rather than a laptop-sized 5090.
The cost of this, the laptop, the docking station, and a standard graphic card is still lower than this.
Really? Yeah.
5090.
That's very impressive technology. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Nice meeting you.
You too.